Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to take a cartoon bus from Krita into Moho and get it ready for animation. So let's jump in. So first, make sure your bus is separated into different layers. Keep things like the bus body, wheel, windows, doors, headlight, mirrors and other moving parts on separate layers. So you can see from mine here, everything into separate layers, and if I click, I hide and unhide it. So the reason we are doing this that way, when we bring it into Moho, we can animate each part separately. Once everything is ready, go to File, Save As, and you are going to save this bus into PSD files. If you don't see PSD files, just save it into Adobe and then you'll see PSD next to it. Okay, make sure you keep all the layers, don't flatten the image. Now open Moho and import your PSD. If everything went right, your bus part should come in separate layers. However, this window will appear here and it's gonna ask you if you want everything into separate layers or you want composite or everything together. Okay, and just like that, our bus has made the trip from Krita to Moho. So this is one way. The other way, you can just drag this into Moho. You don't need to go to import. This will work the same thing. I'm just gonna show you again here. And now we can start animating. For example, we can rotate the wheels, open the doors, turn the headlights, or make the whole bus drive across the screen. And that's it. Draw your bus in Krita, save it as PSD, bring it into Moho, and you're ready to animate. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what you want to animate next. Thank you.